Okay, today we're doing an unboxing on the JKS Jeep Gladiator front track bar. I'm about to do a Mopar 2-inch lift, so I ordered a track bar from JKS. Let's see what we got here. Definitely got it well packed in here. Wow, heavy duty. Little install kit. Decal. Looks like some instructions. And there's your instructions. I have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The part number for this is JKS123. Some simple instructions. Very, very heavy duty. This is one heavy track bar. 1.25 inch jam nut on it. Monstrous. Nice. Alright, that's about it. Recommend it to everyone. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. We got a lot of other videos coming your way with unboxing